Are you on the hunt for side hustles that could net you up to $900 a day in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. We're about to embark on a journey exploring 4 practical, profitable hustles that anyone can start. These aren't your run-of-the-mill gigs. They offer financial freedom, flexibility, and the chance to chase your passions. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of side hustles that can turn your financial dreams into reality. First up on our list, social media consulting. Who knew that scrolling through Instagram could be a goldmine? Now let's delve a little deeper. With the digital world expanding at a breakneck speed, businesses are scrambling to stand out, and that's where social media consultants come into play. They're the savvies who use their know-how of the social media landscape to help businesses amplify their online presence, engage their audience, and ultimately boost sales. The demand for this expertise is skyrocketing, and so is the earning potential. Imagine turning your daily social media scroll into a lucrative hustle, with potential earnings that could skyrocket to a whopping $900 a day. So, if you're a social media aficionado, this could be your ticket to a $900 a day income. Next in line, crafting online courses. Got a skill? It's time to cash in on it. Online learning platforms are the new classrooms of the 21st century, bringing education to your fingertips. This burgeoning trend provides a golden opportunity for you to share your expertise with the world. From baking sourdough to coding in Python, there's a market for every skill out there. The beauty of creating an online course is its scalability. You put in the work up front and then it's passive income, baby. The potential revenue from this side hustle can range from a few extra bucks to a full-fledged income depending on the demand for your course. So, dust off that skill, package it into an engaging online course, and watch the dollars roll in. Finally, we delve into the future, virtual reality and 3D printing. Sounds complicated? Not as much as you think. These technologies are not just for tech wizards anymore. With the right resources and a bit of dedication, anyone can learn the basics. The demand for VR and 3D printing services is skyrocketing. Businesses, educators, even entertainers are all clamoring for these immersive experiences and tangible creations. And where there's demand, there's opportunity. By offering VR and 3D printing services, you're tapping into a market with high earning potential. It's like stepping into a gold mine that's just waiting to be explored. So if you're an enthusiast for future tech, this could be your golden goose. Now, the ball's in your court. It's time to step up to chase that dream of financial freedom. Remember, with side hustles like social media consulting, online courses, or 3D printing, you're only a few steps away from success. So what are you waiting for? Start your side hustle today, and remember, the sky's the limit. Subscribe for more financial insights and tips.